Hey there, homeowners. Welcome back to another enlightening episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm Henry Rodriguez, and today we're diving into a topic that directly affects the health and well-being of your family, your home's water. How clean is it really? Prepare to embark on a journey to discover the world of water filtration. Let's go! Clean and safe drinking water is essential for a healthy lifestyle. But did you know that the water from your tap might not be as pure as it seems? We're going to unravel the benefits of water filtration and explore the options available to ensure that your family's drinking water is the highest quality. Let's start by looking at some common water filtration methods that you can consider for your home. There's a wide range of options available, from convenient pitcher filters that you fill and place in your fridge to the faucet-mounted filters that provide instant access to clean water, and even under-sink systems that can deliver purified water to multiple outlets. To help you make an informed decision, consider factors like filtration capacity, installation complexity, and ongoing maintenance when choosing the right filtration systems for your household. For example, the pitcher and faucet-mounted systems require a filter replacement several times a year to be effective. But before you make a decision, it's helpful to know what contaminants might be lurking in your water. Water filtration systems are designed to remove impurities, such as harmful chemicals, bacteria, and heavy metals, which can be present in tap water. Professional water testing can reveal the specific impurities in your water, helping you select the most effective solutions. Now let's talk about the significance of professional installation. Goettl's expert technicians ensure that your filtration system is correctly installed, guaranteeing its efficiency and longevity. And maintenance is key to ensure your water filtration system stays effective. Regularly replacing filter cartridges and following recommended maintenance will ensure that your filtration system continues to deliver clean and safe water. Well, there you have it, the basics behind water filtration options. By selecting the right filtration system and staying on top of maintenance, you can ensure your family can access the purest, safest water possible.